Okay, here's another perfect example of seeding the atmosphere. Jet just came through right there. Added to that stuff right there. And then there he is right there. And as they begin to hit the atmosphere with their microwave transmissions, it will begin to stick. And what I mean stick is that right there. That's all chemtrails. Another one coming through right here. And tomorrow I'll document it. It'll be a huge chemtrail day, I guarantee it. I guarantee it. That's a chemtrail. Alright? That is not water vapor. That's poisonous, metallic nanoparticles seeding the atmosphere. Alright? We'll see what happens tomorrow. But I'm predicting tomorrow will be a huge, massive chemtrail day with the chemtrails sticking, not like they are now. They're not sticking, but they're seeding. They're preparing the atmosphere for tomorrow. So, oh, there's a chemtrail plane coming in right here, flying into Palm Springs Airport. Zero in this guy. Delta. Big time chemtrail plane. Chemtrail plane, these pilots all know. And they keep their mouths shut because they want their big pensions, and they're probably making well over six figures, probably up and pushing $200,000 a year or more for bonuses for flying overtime. They're not gonna cut off the golden goose. They're gonna speak out on this, most of them. They're not going to. And if they did anyways, they'd lose their jobs or end up dead. So that's it.